So guys, what I bought from the Salvation Army is one of these Montgomery Ward dehumidifiers. Not gonna go very popular, that's for sure. I am a dead channel, mostly. Got this for $24.99 at a Salvation Army thrift store. It says 7.5 amps, and I don't know if this is 35 or 85 pints. It works. It's a really good dehumidifier. Anyways, I want to see, hold on, let me turn it off real quick. See, it's off. I'm turning the humidistat up to normal, because mostly it's humid here. I'm wondering if I could give you a startup. Also, the compressor by itself. Hold on. Give me a second. I've got this set up where the compressor will only turn on. Then I will turn on the fan. Great. Anyways, that's the actual startup with it. Sorry, this will be a very long reel. Waiting for it to depressure. Alright, I think I've got it where I want it. Let's see if we could turn it on without the fan, please. That's better. Now you can hear it. Now let's turn on the fan. Low. There's warm. High. Compressor. Watching the fan spin down. And shut off. Anyways, it's a really good dehumidifier. Let's go!